The Aqurado storage system. We can bring order to any drawer. The Aqurado storage system is the ideal solution for organizing drawers, shelves, and workstations. Aqurado is a modular storage system with a great deal of flexibility and multiple expansion options, perfect for private or professional use. With Aqurado, you can open up whole new possibilities for organizing drawers and workstation design. We put special emphasis on using high-quality materials and on providing excellent customer service. With their limitless adaptability, our Aqurado profile segments are especially suitable for workshop or laboratory environments and provide intelligent solutions for new impulses on the market. Aqurado, flexible and user-friendly. It optimizes the potential of your existing space by combining different modules next to, behind, and on top of one another. Even when you remove individual modules, the others remain securely in place due to the base panel. The application areas are as multifaceted as the product. Whether in the office, the workshop, the clinic, the laboratory, or another environment, Aqurado provides an intelligent organizational solution. The benefits of the Aqurado storage system are plain to see. Wide-ranging applications, fits into any drawer, flexible and expandable, robust, high-quality plastic material, provides clear organization and durable protection of the contents, promotes efficient work habits. Individual needs require intelligent solutions. We call this simply Aqurado. Aqurado, the modular storage system.